Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and power. Back up files to an external drive or OneDrive, then plug the Surface laptop into power so the process won't interrupt. Once done, make sure you know your Microsoft sign-in and any local account passwords so you can log back in. Now open Settings, go to System, then Recovery. Click Reset this PC and choose to start. This launches the reset workflow and moves you into the next set of choices. You'll now choose how thorough the reset is. Select Keep My Files if you want to preserve personal documents, or Remove Everything to start fresh. Understand that Remove Everything cleans apps and settings. For Reinstall method, choose Cloud Download to get the newest Windows image, or Local Reinstall to use files on the device and save time. Make sure to review any prompts about encryption, drives, and accounts. Enter your password. When asked, you now wait while the Surface resets. This can take from 20 minutes to over an hour depending on choices and hardware. Once the process completes, follow the out-of-box setup. Sign into your Microsoft account, reconnect Wi-Fi, and restore files from your backup or OneDrive. Reinstall apps and check Windows Update. If the reset stalls, shows errors, or fails to boot, create a Surface Recovery USB on another PC and use the recovery tool to reinstall the firmware and OS. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.